It's a noisemaker.
Yeah, this is beautiful, man.
Got the bouncy lights. Beautiful.
So tell everybody about this, Mo. 1969, Ambassador.
1969 Moto Guzzi, that's what it started out as. So we basically updated we put a 5-speed transmission in for him, Eldorado rear drive. It's got a 16-inch Ferrari, that's a CHD rear rim. Maurice wanted the white walls, we put those on for him. We found a siren for him, put a siren bracket on it. So it's basically set up, now it's basically like an Eldorado. It would be like a 72, 73 Eldorado.
What did you do to the engine?
Oh, the engine. So the engine was originally, you can see it's originally an Ambassador case. And we've got a all that shine. We've got an Eldorado crankshaft. We've got a big bore kit. It's balanced. 955cc. Super fast. Makes it quick, especially with that 60-inch rear wheel and the shorty shock. So it gets it down to the ground. The seat height from the seat to the ground is about 4 inches lower than a regular stock Eldorado. And we've got the police. Maurice got his Guzzi Mo. He stole my license plate.
No, you're Mo Guzzi.
Oh, yeah. So, and then we got, we did the dash for him. That's a chrome dash. It's still, obviously, it started out as civilian, so we left the ignition up here for him. And then we put the police S&Ms and the Ambassador style police early Eldo front turn signals. These are the guide front turn signal setup. So beautiful bike. We've been working on this thing about 6 months. Beautiful bike, runs bitchin'.
I like the horns and the chrome.
Oh yeah, look at these. He's got the double horns. You know, it's quite the noisemaker. And then this is the bike also that we put the bouncy. If you flick the switch one way, he's got spots. Like that's solid spotlights. It's out here in the daylight, it's hard to see it. And if you flick the 4-way flasher the other way,